Hi, I'm Rob Stanley with Klipsch. I'm Vice President of Product Development and Marketing. Klipsch has been around since 1946 and is one of the premier custom installation brands around the world. We're introducing a few new products here at ISE this year. One of them is our new Pro Series installation system designed with what we're calling the SecureFit mounting system. SecureFit is done with two-piece install. You've got an outer bezel, and all you have to do, once you've secured toollessly the outer bezel, is put the acoustic component up and in and tighten the screws. One of the benefits of this install system is you get about 40% better clamping than you do with a standard dogleg, which makes our system sound better because the acoustic foundation is stronger to the wall. You can learn more about this product and others like it at www.klipsch-custom.